Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day in the Philippines. It is a gloomy, overcast day in Manila. Pool's not too busy, and we're checking out. So let's go. We are heading to Cebu today. Flight with Cebu Pacific. Basically got bag, check in. You get 20 kilos for the plane, and yes, we're flying from Manila to Cebu. So I'm gonna go down and get a coffee. In the Sheraton hotel, they've got this whole little cafe just down at the reception lobby. Thank you. Group photo. Saying goodbye to everyone at the Sheraton hotel. So a really amazing stay here. Really amazing hospitality. And the bonus is we're only 15 minutes from the airport, straight onto the flight. So we're flying with Cebu Pacific today. Myrtle from Cebu has just greeted us, and we're going to go get checked in at the staff counter, which is great. We don't have to queue. Let's go. Excited to get back to Cebu after a few months, and it's only a short flight as well, so it's only about an hour, hour and a half from Manila, and yeah, it should be smooth sailing from here. Guys, this is Myrtle from Cebu Pacific. She's helping us organize all the flights today. You've been great.
Thank you so much. Let me know if you need anything.
Thank you, Myrtle.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, what a welcome. Thank you. Wow, that was incredible. Welcome to Jpark. Yeah, I filmed it, yeah. Well, that was the maddest welcome I've ever had to any hotel. Felt like I was in Brazil, the Philippines, it was all happening. So good.
Yes, and Miss Jeddah, marketing executive. Okay, so yeah, they're the people to talk to when you need something. Stop asking from me, okay?
Wow, what a welcome that was from Jpark. That was incredible, and we just got our room keys. And we're getting checked into the room, so let's have a first peek at the room. Oh, we've got a balcony out here. Let's have a quick look. Wow, this is the whole resort. So we've got a view over the garden. You can see the water down here. You got all these trees, beautiful lush gardens. This is so nice. And you can sit out here. Got a little outdoor area. We've got a kids park, basketball court. Okay, and let's have a quick look at the bedroom. So, what do we got? Very modern, very clean cut. Looks a bit more sophisticated. I like it. Got a little workstation desk, got a chair. Got a king size bed, it looks like. Oh, we got a rug on the floor, on the wooden floor. I love that touch. TV, mirror. We got the bathroom. The bath, nice shower. And then you've got a little, oh, you got your dressing gown, slippers, scales, everything you need. Oh, does this? Oh, wow. Ah, it goes right through it. So the dressing area is on both sides, and you can get right through the bathroom. Oh, I love this. Welcome, look at this. They gave us this on the way in. Welcome to Jpark. Mactan, Cebu. That's us getting out of the room, and we're just heading over for dinner now. So it was supposed to be ready at 7, but it looks like dinner's been served a little bit early, so I'm gonna make my way over. It's 7:15 now. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. I think it's gonna be a good night. I'm looking forward to a nice bit of Italian food, and yeah, getting out and checking Jpark. Cool. Okay, we need to go get a buggy organized. So I have to go up to the reception, and you take a buggy from here, this little area, the garden area, and that'll take us over to the restaurant Coral. Here we go. Number 7.
Yes, sir.
This is all right, yeah. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. My friends are just down at the front. Nice, easy way to get around the resort. We'll go pick up the girls.
Good evening.
There's 2 in the back. There's Jimmy. You're like a bug attracted to the light.
That's wild.
Thank you very much. Good. One MacBook charger. Yeah, this is so nice. Thank you very much. Cheers. Just finishing up for the day here in Cebu. So it was pretty much just a travel day today. You know, we just traveled in from Manila. So yeah guys, that's it. If you did enjoy the video, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the morning.